Hi, this is Sidharth and Vidya presenting to you our project Vaccination Alert System. One of the alarming public health trends that a family health survey reveals is the slowdown and stagnation of immunization rates in many communities. Effective immunization is one of the most cost effective methods for decreasing mortality, morbidity, disability, and overall burden of disease. To change this uneven distribution of vaccinated communities among the various states of India, a system should be introduced to ensure every child born gets vaccinated at the right time with the right dosages. This is where the vaccination alert system introduced by us come into use. The vaccination alert system gets linked with the details of each child in our country when they are born. It then alerts the parents of the child of when and what vaccines have to be administered. Now let's get started with the vaccination alert system login page. In this simple login page you can enter the username and the password. So I'm entering the admin username so that I could show all the features of this project. The login page that you have logged in helps you to check if a vaccine has been given to a child. So let's select a vaccine name and then let's select a child's name. Let it be Robert. Okay, where's Robert? Yeah, got it. And then we can select an option for him, check for vaccination. Okay, if vaccine has been provided, then it will show the vaccine has been already provided. Otherwise they will give options like send email or mark as given. So I'm sending an email so that as it is not provided for Robert. So now clicking on send an email, the program says email has already been sent. I have linked Robert to my email address instead of as his parent. So let me go and check my email address, and here you go. We got an email address from the server saying that the vaccine has to be provided to Robert. The oral polio vaccine has to be provided to Robert. So let's change Robert to Vidya. As Vidya has already been given the vaccine, let's check for vaccination details and see. As we check for vaccination details, it says vaccination has already been provided. So this is how we can check the vaccination status using this login page. Now to see the list of all the children who have got the vaccines, we have to click on children vaccination details. This gives the list of all the children who have been registered to this, and those who have got the vaccine and on which day the vaccine has been administered to them, and all those details. Like if you want to see if a particular child has attained it, then you could even search in that. But then the list over here is too small, you can see it directly over here. Let's give Shreya just in case to take a particular name. We can say all the details listed over here. If you are a doctor or a government official, in order to add a new vaccination, you have to click on register vaccination. So now click on the vaccination name and then give a random vaccination name like polio 5, and then let's say from when the vaccination starts, the year. So let's say it starts from 13 years of age, so I'm giving 39 years over here, and then it ends at 14 years of age. So from 13 years of age to 14 years of age, this vaccination has to be provided. On clicking submit, this has been inserted into the list of the vaccinations that are to be given to a child at the time of birth after he is born. So this is the whole list, and then let's go to the register child in order to register a new child into this system. So when you click on register new child, you get a list of all the children, and then you get a space for name, phone, and date of birth. Let's enter a name like Thomas, and then give a random phone number like this, and then let's enter the date of birth. Let be 24th October 2019. After that, we should enter the parents' email address and then click on submit. This email address will be used to provide email or to alert the parent for registering for administering the vaccines. You can see his name at the below of this, and these are the names of all the children who have been added into this list, this vaccination alert system. The email address provided over here shows the email address to which the email will be sent to remind him of the vaccine to be given. Hoping this project would come of great use for the people and for the Indian society in removing all the diseases spread among the poor and the rich. I'm concluding my video. Thank you. Namaste.